Hi friends, thank you for coming back to step number 2. This is Elaine Marie. Okay, I have a bigger angular brush. What I want you to do, make sure your brush is damp. I want you to come up where it's light, right here, not too much, because we're going to give it a bigger area than I did my other picture. Alright, very good. We're just going to run that through right under there like that. Dab a little white with that. There you go. We'll give it a nice color. Oh, that's blending beautiful. Oh, I'm loving it already. Very nice. I hope everyone is doing well and enjoying all your painting time. Okay, this will be our beach area down here. Alright, we're going to dab that off. Come in with a little blue. There you go, a little bit more. We'll bring it down right about there. Okay, I got my camera in my left hand, so I want to make sure I'm staying right on the picture here. Okay, that's great. And again, take a gob of that white, dab it, wipe off your brush, lightly come in, and it'll make like a little wave for you. Look at that. Beautiful. 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 Okay. Now I want you to take the same brush. This will give it some texture like this. Going to get some of that water. Look like a nice sea foam. You're going to dab. And you're going to come up and dab. And you're going to leave some of that between, because when you get the ocean coming up like that, it always leaves, it pulls back, and then you're going to see the beach sand. And I like thickness, so the thicker you want to make that, I think the more realistic it'll be. Love it. Love it. Now, I want you to wipe your brush off. Wipe it off really well, and then make sure your brush is a little wet. And what you're going to do, just on the top, you're lightly, there you go. See that? Just gonna lightly run. You're hardly even holding the brush. And that'll give that nice effect. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful, and I'm sure yours is too. And see how we left the gold back here, because that's your sand lined right there. But again, as thick as you want to make that, that's great. You can just tap that in. Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it already. Now, you can take your angular brush, and I did bring out some light green and some dark green. Okay, you can run that right through like this. Now, we have nice texture here. What I want you to do, point on the bottom, come up, there you go, come up, there you go. And you're going right over, and the harder you go, I think the cooler it's going to look on that. There you go, I like that. Beautiful. Point on the bottom, straight up, and as you go straight up, it gets thinner on the top. Love it. And that's kind of, oh, that's cool, because it went right over the cloud, which realistically, that's what it would really do. Beautiful. Take the same brush and just dab some green just on the bottom. Dab some green. Just a little on the bottom. Okay, just clean your brush real quick. Okay, and now I want you to take some of your gold, take a little white with that, and make it really light. And what we're going to do, we're going to just come over a little bit like this. Okay, just to give that like a little swooping. Now, another thing we're going to do, friends, I want you to take a small brush. Okay, this is a small angular. And I want to mix some of this gold with a little brown. Make it a little darker. Now watch. We're going to come in and just tap. Because you don't want the sand to look so solid. Because in reality, right, that's not what the sand would be, just plain. It would be feet marking it, or the wind blowing it. So, yeah, oh, I'm loving that. Oh, that's beautiful, and I'm sure yours is too. Let me see, and I'm hoping this lighting, let me see. No, let's go back up. Whoop, let the camera adjust a little bit to that. There you go. You're just giving that a little bit of that, little markings. Okay, and you're going to take that and you're going to swoop that down just like that. You're going to come up and you're going to bring this way, just to break that up. Oh, yes. Oh, that's really, really lovely. And friends, you can make as many of these tall grass as you like. You know what? I think I'm going to go one. Maybe I'll go one this way. There you go. Maybe we'll do one straight up. Great. I love it. And what you might want to do, oh, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take a little yellow, right, and we're just going to come in, okay, with a little angular brush, okay, and we're just going to give our little reflection, beautiful, with the sun. Well, friends, we did it. I love it, and I'm sure yours is beautiful, beautiful too. Thank you, friends, for tuning in, and I hope to see you, or you join me, in the next video. Okay. Oh, and while you're still on the camera, here you go. It's right, so I'm going to hurry up and do this. I'm going to put a little cloud, there you go, in front of my sun. Bye-bye, friends. It was great, and I'll see you, or join you, in the next video. Please stay safe. Bye-bye now.